As a child, one of my most valued Christmas memories was helping my grandmother decorate the tree. It was so much fun and an activity I looked forward to each year. Including the kids is such a wonderful family activity for the holidays, especially if you have a Christmas tree dedicated just for them to enjoy decorating. So, put on some Christmas music and start this holiday season with some Christmas cheer. Today, I will be sharing some Christmas tree decorating ideas the children will love. One of the first things that I bought for the Christmas tree was a Christmas tree garland. I got this Christmas tree garland, which was really inexpensive. It has these cute little decorative balls around it with some rope, and the color of it is white and a blush pink. Have the kiddos come over and help decorate the Christmas tree. Remember, you're decorating the Christmas tree, but in the process, you're also creating memories. One of the things that I did was I bought two separate kind of ornaments. I bought the focal point ornaments, which were these beautiful, really cute bunny ballerinas that have these tutus on them with blush pink and gold. And I also have some kitty cats that are ballerinas, and I thought that they were absolutely adorable. And I also bought some shatterproof ornaments, which are really good if you have little ones in the home. Next up, I bought this inexpensive tree topper, and I put it on top of the tree to give it that extra magical feel. I didn't have a skirt for my Christmas tree, but I remembered I had a throw blanket that I used for the holidays that had some extra sparkle, so I wrapped it around the bottom of the Christmas tree, and I absolutely loved the way it turned out. It gave it that extra sparkle the tree needed. Next, I found this sign that said joy on it with some greenery. When I seen it, I knew that this was the extra touch that the wall needed to make this Christmas tree look magical. Next, place your Christmas tree in an area that will be a fun spot for the kids to enjoy during the holiday season. So there you have it, a beautiful Christmas tree for the kiddos to enjoy. Remember to enjoy the decorating process, but most importantly, remember the memories you're creating with your family. Thank you for stopping by Home and Dine Boulevard.